The four pillars of real estate classes include office, retail, residential, and industrial. Industrial properties seem to be immune from the decline in values starting in 2022 as a result of increasing interest rates. However, this class is now beginning to be impacted, and we're seeing this impact in 2024. In North America, we are seeing lower leasing rates and higher vacancy rates. New construction has also decreased. Both North America and Europe are facing similar conditions. Rental rates are flat, and we are seeing, through to the end of April, a decrease in pricing of 7%. However, as we always see in this type of downward environment, there has been a flight to quality real estate assets, and we're still seeing ESG as being a significant and important trend in investment real estate.